So right now we are going to learn about how to change a specific color using hue and saturation. In last lesson we learned about how to change the entire color of a shoes, and using the hue and saturation we change the color of shoes. But right now we're going to learn about the changing a specific color from an image. And you can take a look. Right now, I am in the home page of Adobe Photoshop, and in the home page, you will get this pop-up, and inside the pop-up, you will get different type of presets like photo presets, print presets, like the later presets, legal paper presets, tabloid presets, and here is the sizes are available. So you can pick any preset from here. If you were looking for art and illustration, then you will get this art and illustration tab, and then you will have some presets. For web, you can use this web tab, then you will have the presets for web. And if you want to put the default value that you really need, you can put the values in here. Here is the field for width, and here is the field for height, and here is the resolution. So let me pick a preset from here. Likewise, 1080 pixel or 1920 by 1080 resolution. So I'm going to pick this one, and let's click on the create. So here is our image canvas, and we're going to open an image from our exercise file for changing a specific color using hue and saturation. So let's open our exercise file. Here is the file menu, and from there you have to go for open option. Okay, inside our exercise file you will get this woman with red dress image. So you just have to select it, and then you have to click open. Okay, so you can take a look. A new tab is opened, and we're going to work with this new tab. The image canvas we created, that's placed in here, and it's named as like an untitled one. So if you want to work in here, you can shift the tab, but we are going to work with this woman with the red dress JPG tab. Okay, so you can take a look. A lady, she wear a red dress, and we have a green background. So we are going to change only the dress color. That means all the background will remain same, and we will only change the color of dress. And how we will do that using hue and saturation, let's take a look. Inside the layers panel, we got the background layer, and we are not going to change anything. So let's go to the adjustments tab, and here is the hue and saturation option. So let me click on this hue and saturation option. Okay, you can take a look. We got the field, and if you change the pointer of hue, what will happen? Let's take a look. Let me place this pointer at left. You can take a look. The color of dress is changed, but as well as the background color also changed. But we are not looking for that. We will only change the color of dress, and the background will remain same. So that's why we will not using this feature. We have to move with the master option. So let's place this hue pointer as in same position like before. So right now we have the actual image, and we have the actual values and points for hue. In this image, the girls, she wear a red dress, so we have to focus at red color first, as because we are going to change only the dress color. So here is an option called, this is master option. So you just have to select this master option, and you will get different type of color settings in here. So as this lady, she wear a red dress, so that's why we have to select this reds option. So let me select this reds option, And now we will use the hue pointer. So let's move this pointer at left. Okay, cool. You can take a look. The color of dress is changed into pink, but we have the background as same as before. So let me move this pointer at more left. We got the purple color, we got the blue color, and we got the cyan color. This is amazing. So now let's move this pointer at right. We got the blue one, we got the purple one, we got the pink one, and as well as red. So let's move more right. Okay, we got the green color. Now it looks green. And now we have the cyan color. So this is an amazing feature of hue and saturation using master option for changing a specific color. So you can take a look. We got the purple color of dress and we have the same background as like before. So for changing a specific color, you can use this master option from the hue and saturation properties. So let's have some practice.